sniper of some sort with a, you know, a scope of some sort.
I see a motorcycle with no card over there.
What about it? I mean,
no cart.
yeah, it's good. It's good, but it's kind of outside of the blue line. I think.
Alright, boys, time to jump.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be outside of the blue line in like 2 seconds. What? What? You almost hit me! Oh my god! What are you doing? You actually almost hit me. I didn't know what you were doing. I looked over the ledge and then you just like. Oh my god! Dude, we were like, oh look at that motorcycle doesn't have a car, and then Travis just comes up yeeting a motorcycle. Yeah, I need a sniper. And one without a scope. I mean, with a scope. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm crouching.
Are we gonna jump over Tristan?
No, it's outside the blue line. Don't do it. That's retarded.
Oh, no. It's fine. It's fine.
That's retarded.
Go, go, go.
Stop. You guys are gonna take so much unnecessary damage. Or not.
Unnecessary? What if has no gas?
That'd be retarded. My friends just went out of the blue line to get a motorcycle.
Get a motorcycle. Great friends.
40 people alive, and you kids are just screwing around with the motorcycles. Line up and then come ramp over me. But if you guys...
Jump over Tristan and go outside the blue line again.
No, I'm going over here. So you can maybe get a clean shot. And not go into the blue line. Yeah, you see me? To the right of the tree. Come on, ramp me. Yeet! Holy crap. Holy crap.
Alright,
Zach.
still no one dies.
What? You guys need to heal. Or Zach needs to heal. These motorcycles.
No, we don't have to take any damage.
These motorcycles are the worst thing that's ever happened. Just kidding. What? What? That was so... What? What? Oh my god, both of you did it! Both of you did it! Oh my god! He landed! He landed! Stop! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, what just happened? Look at the mic, it's still glitching out.
What am I watching? Where's my motorcycle?